Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. Welcome to Best Car Fixes 2001 Nissan Pathfinder. Here is the key and the chip is inside. You see that small chip? That piece here, that's the chip. So we are trying to consider it like how to program this. Let's go together. I gotta go here and see if we can program it and take it from there. So I gotta go to Imo. I was doing another car that I'm not able to communicate with, so I'm gonna clean all this. Hopefully this one, and then I will start all over. I go to I will go here and then accept. The older the car is kind of funny sometimes. Nissan. I'm gonna go fail to establish connection. Why? Because I don't have no internet. So you have to go get hotspot. Because if you don't have no internet, it's impossible to communicate. That's a new update. You must have online account, online access to get through. You're gonna wait here to become white, change the color for the internet, then go to Nissan. Now you log into it. It looks like they put all their service in the server. So now I'm gonna go to manual selection. Those kind of chip that you need to program, you can have this and you have shells. I go to US, North America. Nissan Pathfinder. Look at the Pathfinder. Pathfinder Armada Pathfinder here. 95 to 2008, the same car. 95 to 2008. You believe it? Okay, hot function. I don't want to go far. Okay. 6, 7, 9, 10, 15. It's coming on. This one also, I put the chip here. After you put it, you can put a crazy glue so that they can stay and lock it. In case you need you use a shell. Any Nissan from, as I told you, from 1995, 2008, semi-blade key learning guide. Only 3 steps. It's gonna continue, say yes, and then insert the ignition on. We're gonna wait for the light to go off. Okay, that's good. So now, turn off, wait 5 seconds, turn the ignition off, wait 5 seconds. Press OK here. Turn it on. This is good. Car is start.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna put the next one. This is no good. Yeah. This one also is gone. It's good now, because if it's no good, the light will never go off. So I believe we have 2, one here, and that's one. It's done. So hold now. I'm gonna turn it off. Turn it on again. Start. So everything look good. So what I'm gonna do here, I will take this one. Take this one out for me. I'm gonna put this, take this. This one also can work. You see this one also? And actually this is the fourth key. The fourth, remember this fourth key? I don't want you to drop this one in my, okay, let me just show. So it doesn't have to move. Or like this. And then I will close it. Stay with us. The chip was wrong. So we put another one. And now we have two. All of them working fine. Perfectly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. This is a quick diagnosis. Thank you.